Whoa, shit, I almost fell. So this is something I noticed when you're creating content right now, and it's a way that you can reach more people and ultimately help more people if that's what you want to do. So when you put out content, you want it to be broken down as simple as possible so that the people, even beginners could understand what you're saying, because the truth is most people don't understand the things that you know. So you're trying to break it down to make it understandable for them. But what I noticed is a lot of people will hate on that style of content because they'll come to that video and they'll say, oh, I can't be that simple, or oh, you left out this detail. And it's usually something super negative. Like, I'll do a video about a rental property, for example, and somebody will say, well, what about when the toilets break at 3 a.m.? Or what happens when the economy crashes and you can't get a tenant, And so they just ultimately jump to the negative things to discredit what you're saying, right? There's always going to be people like that, especially when you reach more people with your content. But the thing is, many times it is that simple. If you break it down, it's a simple decision. People that got wealthy with certain activities, they're not geniuses. They just made a decision to do something. So when you break it down and make it simple, some people don't like that, because if it really was that simple, they'd have to look at themselves in the mirror and say, well, shit, why didn't I do it? So instead of saying that and making a change, they just hate on your content. So 1 in 50 or 1 in 100 will say that. The rest of them will say, thank you for making it so easy. Thank you for breaking this down. I didn't understand it, but now I do. Or I'd like to learn more about that.